Good afternoon. I'm gonna go to supermarket. I'm just gonna check if there are any birthday balloons because it's my sister's birthday today and they're on their way now here. We're just gonna celebrate it here at home. So I wanna put up some birthday decoration or birthday balloons to make it a little extra special. Got my eco bag to buy rice. Bili ni Happy. Very convenient. The supermarket is just across the street. That's what I love about it. I think the last time I was here, I saw some birthday decorations. Let's check. If not, we're gonna go to the store where we saw some decorations yesterday. It was here before. Oh my God. Articats lang pala. Ano ba yan? They don't have them. Baka di mo ulit somewhere. Wala talaga. Yung mga balance na yung dati. Ano nga? Ano ba yan? Ay, ito! So, birthday, ano lang pala. So, Halloween. Walang balloon. Okay. I need to go where we went last night. This they have. Yeah, but it's a walk. Oh, wait. Oh. Celebrate. Ito. It's a set. Magkano ito? Let's ask them. Tanong natin ang staff. Excuse me. Ate, anong nasa loob nito? Tsaka magkano siya? Yan ba yung nasa loob niya? O isa lang?
Sorry. Eh, paano ulit yun? Wait lang sa haba kasi.
Saan si ate? Ate. Ayun.
Meron ba po? Ito yun siya. Ito daw yung laman yan.
Lahat yan. Magkano to?
Ayan po kung ilang peraso. I-check na lang natin.
Let's get a cart. I'll buy that na lang. Sana hindi masyadong mahal. Ano yung mga cart nila?
528, sir.
Okay.
Requesting CS3. CS3 to counter 4, please.
Bongga naman ito. Ang dami niya. May balloons na, may ribbon, may candles. Parte ko naman, nahanap ko to. Kasi nakandito lang siya. Halagay lang siya dyan. So, akala ko kung ano lang. Kasi ito lang nakikita ko. Puro birthday candles. Tapos mga ito na. Grabe. Ang galing. Okay. Na siya na-accomplish. Need to find that Japanese rice na favorite namin. Oh, pangalan nun.
Requesting RS6.
Ayun.
RS6 to counter 4, please.
Parang malaki yan. Let's get two na lang. This is our favorite Japanese rice. Let's get another one. Enough na kaya. Ilang kilo ba ito? This 1 kilo, 2 kilos. So I'll get 4 kilos. Let's get some wine. I'm gonna get Moscato. Gusto niya ni Habi. Sana magsuha nila Mami. We're gonna cheers. Wait lang. Ano pong bilhin? Relax lang. heavy. Just a few pieces, but it's so heavy. Anyways, mission accomplished. Let's get ready. Okay, I'm back home. Let's unbox this Celebrate Whoopee box. I'm so curious what's inside. That's why I really want to open it. I hope it's good. Let's see what's inside. So what they have is a lot of balloons. So pink. I don't know if that's the color of my system. I'm sure it's not. This is a lot of balloons. And then, what is this? Sticker. It has candles. Cute. And then tape. And then it includes so many balloons. The problem is, how are we gonna blow this? Oh my god. So H. And then a big one. Yun lang. I don't know if this is a success or a fail. But we'll need to ask her. Abi, I need your help. I need your wisdom. Tudoing. Abi, ano yung laman niya? Kompleto na. May ganito na. May candle. May balloons. May happy birthday. Paano loloboy?
Walang ano?
Walang laman ng box.
Paano lubuhin? Wala siyang ano? Hindi naman wala.
So, kaya ba yan?
Hindi siya pwedeng malubo pag wala yung gano'n. Wala, useless.
So, wala siyang panlobo kasama. So, hindi namin malulobo yung malaking balloon tsaka yung happy birthday na balloon. So, ito na ang mga balloons ito. Mano-mano.
Hindi ka nga sa 7 kasi kung walang kabis. Yung mga chucky, na may ano, straw na sa lip.
Oh, no. Just Uncle Jim. Kababa lang. This looks like a condo. What? Ano yung color niya? Long exercise. Oh my God! Ako yung na happy birthday. Pag yung camera ko.
Bakit nga yun kasi magliparan. Hindi na yan malaki.
Ay, napapraning.
Kasi mga
Wala. That was heart attack moment.
So, bumili na lang ako ng juice para makakuha ko ng straw. So, nasa ko na dito.
Good job ka talaga, Abby. Good job talaga.
Kasi wala na talagang pangyayaran.
May abs ka na, Abby. Lang cute.
What?
Hey. Happy birthday.
Now let's go with the letters first.
Sige nga.
Yun lang.
Yes. Good job, Abby. Galing.
Beep, 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 beep. A, ang sarap-sarap. B, ng aking balat. D, ay, si Papa.
Ayun lang. Wala nang sisa alphabet niya. And it's done. But guess what? Happy birthday! Walang R. Walang D. Ano ba yan?
Na-open ako. Open na to, no?
Ako nagganyan.
Nilagyan na lang ng scotch tape.
Lapit na sila. So, I forgot to order the cake. We're gonna order some cake from Conti's na lang. That's her birthday cake for this year. So, they're downstairs now. They're at the basement. That was a mad rush. I'm gonna pick them up. Gonna pick the birthday celebrator. And guess what we're gonna do the whole day? Tong eats. Hello, Mel. Kaya yan. Dahan-dahan.
Nahirapan ako. Birthday.
Bagong gupit ah. Kaya naman ang dalit mo. Kaya naman ang dalit mo.
Tagal-tagal din. Parang yung sa body ba yung,
Ha?
yung gray, sunod ko rin.
Sa Bangkok ba yan?
Hindi.
Happy birthday! Bakit ang lahat ng parang plano nyo?
Wala namang plano kung ikaw ay talaga bang
Mag-apply ka na lang tayo ng elevator, girl.
wow, girl? Girl?
Girl.
Girl.
Elevator, girl.
Nagdala ka ng baraha?
Di ba mayroon dyan?
Wala.
Ano wala? Hindi naman namin dinala eh.
Excited magtong.
Sino ba yun? Tuturuan ako.
Nakalimutan ko.
Lagi naman talo. Ito na, laging kalimot, pero laging panalo.
Lagi nakakalimutan eh.
Pa kami kagabi ng birthday party. Akala ko pupunta kayo dito. Tinapon na namin.
Paano ba yan?
Dalawa yun.
Nagsimba muna kami. Alas.
Happy birthday to you.
Ano yan, nabi ka ng
Masarado mo ba? Ay. Happy birthday!
Si Mami may birthday.
Pero basahin mo kung anong nakaspell.
Basahin mo.
Ano?
Hoy, slang yan. Ano yan? Australian yan. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Sa ano naman yung nabili niya? Happy anniversary! Binigay sa kanya! Tawa ka na ba rin? Ano ba yan? Ay, ganda naman!
Australian yan. Happy birthday.
Ba't? Oo nga no. Ba't ka?
Happy birthday! Wow!
Picture ka naman, ikaw mukhang may birthday.
Oo, sabi niya. Bis na bis eh. Sabi niya, pambahay ka
Sabi
din.
nila, hindi na nila yung 38.
Birthday, grass, grass, grass. Ikaw kinikilig eh. Ay, nako.
Saan galing yun? All the time. There were days when the sun was so cruel that all the tears turned to dust, and I just knew my eyes drying up forever. Yan naman. I finished crying in the instant that you left, and I can't remember where or when or how. And I banished every memory you and I had ever made. Doma, but when you touch me like this, and you hold me like that, I just have to admit that it's all coming back to me. That you like this, and I hold you like that. It's so hard to believe, but it's all coming back to me. It's all coming back, it's all coming back to me now. Things I never do again, but then they always seem right. There were nights of endless pleasure. It was more than any loss of love. Baby, baby. You whisper like that. It was love flowing on. If you want me like this, and if you want me like that, it was that long ago. Low lies, and whenever you try to hurt me, I just hurt you even worse, so much deeper. Ay, hindi pa pala na gusto to. I'm tender, a love that I could not forsake, 'cause I'm your lady.
Reach for me.
I can
I'm all I can.
Lost is how I'm feeling. That all ends when I'm with you. Even though there may be times it seems I'm far. Ginamit na lang. Never wonder where I am, 'cause I am always by your side. Go, mother.
I'm your lady.
And you are
Just me and you.
gonna be
You're the one who will be through the when.
if I ever fall in love again. By the power of love. My delivery is here na I'm gonna pick up the cake and the palabok. Kontis, kuya. Got the cake, got the palabok, and the mamonitas. Nasa punong abala.
Ito sabi ko, wala akong
Labas!
Laban na, laban mo.
Upo ka lang dito, si Vera, hawakan niya yung dalawang ha. Ganyan yung meron dito sa post. Ganyan, tapos yung isa dito sa isa, ganyan. Tapos si Tita.
Why?
Tita, happy.
Happy
birthday.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday sa'yo!
Maligayang bati.
Maligayang bati!
Maligayang bati sa'yo.
Happy birthday
to you.
Blow!
Blow the candle.
Isama!
Happy birthday! Merry Christmas!
Kainan na!
Ang ano ang hangin dito?
Ha?
Matatanggal ulit ang hangin.
Hindi ko alam.
Kasi sayang tago lang.
Anong wish mo kay Grace mo?
Umayat.
Ay, wish ko sa kanya pumayat.
Awis?
Awis.
So, they just left because lumabas na yung lagnat ko. I think I have a fever. I think this started this morning when I woke up with phlegm. Hubby has been coughing for the past few days. So, I think I got the virus and now the virus is having a party inside of my body. It ruined the day because we were playing cards. That's when I started feeling different. And then I started feeling weak. And I knew this is going to be fever. Sad, it ruined the birthday celebration, but it's okay because they had to go back because they're still gonna travel to Laguna. And my mom has an appointment to her doctor tomorrow early in the morning. So I don't want them to stay too long. Si Abby na ang naghatid sa kanila sa baba, sa basement. There's a tropical storm here. You ready, Abby? Robbie. Talsika na yung mga ano. Try namin dumaan dito sa basement. Landulas ng chinelas ko. Tingnan mo nga kung meron. Sinabi mo take out. Looking for the Spanish bread. Found it. We're buying ginataang halo-halo. It's so beautiful today. I got my favorite spot. We're gonna do scooter. We're back to where we wish we would live in BGC.